Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Got a special one today. I guess they're always special, right? I'm not sure, but this is a surprise item that was in the swag bag at the Razor Emporium meetup just last Saturday, and it's from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and it's Viloma. I don't have a whole lot of information on this. Let me get you a better look at that label. That label is something else, other than the scent notes. And I had at lunch during the event, I asked Douglas Smythe, so this smells incredible. What am I smelling? And he gave me the scent notes. It's lemon, violet, and spice on the top. The mid notes are myrrh, oud, and vanilla. And the base is amber and woody. Then I said, when you have time, I'd like to know the story of that label and the name, and he told me that Viloma is Sanskrit for against the grain. I really like the label on this one. It's crazy. This scent is out of this world. So we're going to do a shave with that. I'm also using for the first time, my Gillette red tip that I purchased at Razor Emporium at the meetup. And this is a B3 factory nickel refurb, and it is beautiful. I decided to just pick one up when I'm there finally, instead of waiting to find one and sending it in to be revamped and everything. I'm going to use a first use Filoso. I'm going to load that up right now. And I've already got the lather built up in a bowl, since it's a advent calendar size sample. And let's see here. Otherwise I would tub load, of course. So loading that up. Super smooth. Locked down, ready to go. Cannot wait to use this. I've been wanting one for a long time. And I'm using my Wild West Brushworks brush with a AP Shave Co. Pure Bliss, 26mm Pure Bliss. So let's get the glasses off and my face wet. I have a little over 24 hours, I believe. I did not shave on Sunday, so the last time I shaved was the day of the meetup, and this is Monday night, and I'll have this video out on Tuesday. So yeah, it's been a while. And right off the bat, you do get that lemon, but definitely the oud and vanilla, which is, as you know, oud is my jam. It's right up my alley. These notes are beautiful. Wonderful. This is a must, Douglas, to bring out, please. I knew right when I just smelled it. I need everything. I need the splash. I need the EDP, bar soap. Let's do a cube on this as well. Man, it is wonderful. I don't have to say anything about CK6. You all should know how great this base is. And if you haven't tried it, what's that saying going around? Do you even shave, bro? Yeah. Sorry, I didn't mean to go there. Wonderful. All right, warm up this razor. So I asked Matt Pisarcik before the meetup. I said, I'm planning on picking up a Gillette red tip. But if you have anything unusual, because I like some unusual razors that you would suggest, let me know. And he just replied, the Gillette red tip is a classic for a reason. So that's what I got. This is one of the only items I actually pre-planned to purchase. Like, I knew I was buying this a long time ago before I even made my hotel reservations. So unfortunately, I don't have anything more to talk about on the soap other than the scent notes in my little story of my conversation with Douglas. No backstory on the label, no sales blurb, so my apologies. But I had to get a shave in with it because it smelled so good. I do believe Brian Foley has already added this to the PA database. And this razor's good. The only other super speed I've ever shaved with is, I don't have it out here anymore, but the Black Handle 70s super speed. And honestly, I really don't know how that rates aggression wise versus the red tip, silver tip, and blue tip. But this is getting a wonderfully nice smooth shave. Man, I'm getting almost every scent note in this. You get the lemon, the violet, a little bit of spice. Definitely those middle notes are very pronounced to me. That myrrh, oud, and vanilla. And there is a woody tone to it. It's beautifully balanced. So the meetup, if you saw my video, my recap video was amazing. I've done nothing today but just think back on it and talk to some of the guys that I had plans with there about, we've just been talking about how much fun it was, telling everybody else about it. And man, there's so much to post about it, but I didn't want to blow things up. But I'll talk more about it and show some more photos later on. Wow, landed on my ear there, right? Man, it's super smooth. I can see why this is one of Matt Pisarcik's favorite razors. Sorry, I'm enjoying this shave too much. I apologize, I'm being so quiet. Just a quickie, just in here to get a quick shave for the night. Been needing to do this all day. Just so much else to do. I haven't even finished unloading my truck yet from the trip, geez. Still got a few things out there. When I got home, I didn't even load. I just grabbed my backpack and my suitcase. Came in, my daughter was up, and I greeted her and talked to her for a couple minutes and then went straight to bed. I think I said that already in the last video. Got quite a bit of shave mail in today too. And some really good stuff. Man, this is good. Why couldn't you put a small splash in there too, Douglas? Man, I want to carry this scent through the day. So I do have coming up my anniversary, my shave-iversary. And I'm planning to recreate my very first shave, my very first wet shave. I still have the same soap. I don't have the exact same razor because I gave it away, which was a Rockwell 6C, but I do have the 6S in gold that I'll use. I do have my first brush. And I didn't have any splashes then. And all I had was an unscented Zingari Man balm that I used. Everything but the razor was purchased off of Amazon. So that'll be coming up. I don't remember exactly what day in March that I received everything because the last thing that arrived was the razor. So I'm just going to go March 1st. So sometime that weekend, I'm going to do a shave-iversary shave. I think it'll be kind of fun to revisit that. I don't think I've used that soap. I think I used it twice, ever. And haven't used it again, so I'm really interested to see how it actually performs now that I actually have some experience under my belt in making a lather and using it and everything else, to see what kind of shave I get versus my very first shave, because my very first shave, as a lot of us, wasn't the best. So, all right, let me get a rinse, come back up with my final thoughts. Be right back. All right, that was a real good shave. Man, I love when I get something vintage and it's worth having, meaning I know I'll reach for it again, such as the Schick injectors, and this Gillette red tip is right up there with it. I will definitely reach for that razor again. Oh yeah, just a little bit right there left. This side's good. Everything else is gone. Great shave. All right, just a little bit of unscented star jelly, because I want this scent to last as long as I can get it to last tonight. I'm really enjoying it. There we go. Fantastic. So again, I wish I had more information, maybe a story to tell you about this soap, other than I didn't even know it was in there until I saw Douglas Smythe's post about it, and someone came up to me and asked me about it at the meetup. And I was like, huh? I didn't even look at my my swag bag until lunchtime because I was just so caught up in everything going on and being at Razor Emporium. But yeah, Viloma, very nice surprise. Thank you so much for contributing, Douglas. I really appreciate it to the meetup. This is a winner. It's got to come out. I hope it does. Everyone, oh man, that is such a good scent. Everyone needs to experience this. That's it, guys. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves. Goodbye.